In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover a forgotten Steam password. If you've lost access to your Steam account because you can't remember your password, don't worry. Steam provides a secure recovery process that allows you to reset your password and get back into your account in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can complete the recovery process with confidence. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit the Steam website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and click the Sign In button. This will take you to the Steam login page, where you'll find several options related to account access. On the login screen, click the link labeled Help, I can't sign in. This opens Steam's account recovery page, where you'll see several recovery options. Since you're trying to recover a forgotten password, select the option that says I forgot my Steam account name or password. This will begin the password recovery process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Steam account. Carefully type the correct email address into the provided field. Steam uses this information to locate your account, so it's important to enter the same email that was used when the account was created or last updated. After entering your email address, complete the security verification by confirming that you're not a robot. Depending on your region or browser, you may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA before continuing. Once you've finished the verification, click Search to allow Steam to locate your account. When Steam finds the account associated with your email address, you'll be given the option to receive a verification email. Select the option to have Steam send the recovery email, then open your email inbox in a new browser tab or window. Look for the Steam account recovery email and open it when it arrives. Inside the email, click the Resume Recovery button or link. This will return you to Steam's recovery page, where you'll be asked to select the Steam account you want to recover if more than one account is associated with the same email address. After selecting the correct account, click Reset My Password. You'll then be prompted to create a new password. Enter a strong password that is both secure and easy for you to remember. Then type it again to confirm it. Once everything is entered correctly, click Change Password to save the new password. That's all there is to it. Your Steam password has now been successfully reset, and you can use your new password to sign back into your account. For added convenience and security, consider storing your new password in a trusted password manager so it's easy to access in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!